part 2 of our build series. This little jewel just came in the mail. This is the ParaGrafix 18-inch Enterprise Photo Etch Shuttlecraft Hanger. I've used the photo etch kits from ParaGrafix before in my builds, especially with the U.S.S. Reliant and my 1/350 scale Enterprise A refit. And to say that the ParaGrafix kits are anything but phenomenal is doing them a misservice. These aftermarket parts, photo etch parts, are very well done, and I encourage you to support this product. With a little steel wool, clean my parts. Nice sharp hobby knife. Exacto blade, just cut through the fret. There we go. There's that part. That side. I'm going to take just applying flux to the part that I want soldered, this joint. This is flux paste. This is gonna help solder the joint in place. heat up our joint. The solder will flow right inside. And then we want to clean the joint with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. That all up. Here's our solder joint. Take our next photo etch piece. And we remove it from the fret. There we go. Take our flux, toothpick, place it where we want to go. Just heat up one spot of it first. Yep. And there you have nice solder joint. Let them cool on their own. Don't put anything on them to cool them down. Still gonna be very warm. Tack that in place. Temporarily tack it out. What we have here is part of the completed shuttle bay. By ParaGrafix. Okay. All right. With this completes the basic assembly of the photo etch shuttle bay. Now on to painting. As promised, here's the finished upper section of the shuttle bay, all painted. This is all ready for inserting LEDs. I'm going to do a few modifications to this, space permitting, no pun intended, on the actual model. I want to put some lighting on these internal observation decks inside there. And I have some micro LEDs that I can fit either by drilling a small hole in the side here, or trying to run some fiber optic cable into it. We'll see where that comes, which decision to make for that. But as you can also see, we have a bunch of aftermarket pieces. These are from JT Graphics. This is the first time I ever used their products, and I've already installed the bridge, the B and C deck, including the bridge here. This gives the original appearance of the bridge. You do have to cut a hole in your saucer The instructions are well laid out, and there is some filling that needs to be done. This is all rough filling right here. I'll be sanding it down, smoothing it out. But I wanted to give you an idea of just how well this product is. I'm very pleased with it. The casting is very smooth, very nice. The details there. I had very little cleanup to do on a few pieces. Some pieces I've had some cleanup. Others were very well cast. Once again, it's my first time using these resin products by ParaGrafix. So far, I'm very pleased with what I've seen. The quality is there. To give you an idea, here is the 18-inch deflector. Now, if you recall the U.S.S Constellation, I modified the kit deflector, and I had a comment on my channel as why I didn't just buy the ParaGrafix 8-inch deflector. And to be honest with you, I wanted to do it myself, because that's all what model making is about. It's about making the changes yourself, doing something that you are proud of. It's an art form. However, with that being said, there's something to say about just going out and purchasing a aftermarket part and applying it to your kit. You know, it makes things easier. This is a very well cast. There's only one small bubble hole. Show you focus. One small bubble hole right there, which I'll fill in and sand. One thing I do like, which I thought was really well thought of, are the Bussard collectors. They come with a nice clear dome, and the detail in these are wonderful. A lot of creative work went into this. Very well done. The only thoughts I have on this is in regards to lighting. How am I going to add lighting to this piece? And a few thoughts have come to mind. You know, using nano LEDs, I can put them inside here. Fiber optics. I do have a lighting kit that's coming in, which will give me the Bussard spitting effect. But we'll cross that bridge when we get there. I wanted to share how well done these products are. And of course, we have another ParaGrafix photo etch kit. This kit right here, they call it the accessory set. It's a upgrade for their classic 18-inch Starship model. Includes detail parts for 7 exterior locations plus a scale bridge to enhance the realism. Goes great with our photo etch shuttlebay. Ta-da! Photo etch shuttlebay. Once again, I can't say enough about ParaGrafix. They do a wonderful job. Wonderful job.